Well, it's almost summer, which means my shipping containers are getting hot and humid. So today's project is to try to get some ventilation. When I looked online for vents specific to containers, they're actually pretty expensive. So instead I found these little vents. Came in a box of 50. And I'm going to put a bunch of them along the bottom of this side and then the top of the other side, try to get like a convection current going. And that's going to end up costing quite a bit less than those shipping container vents. So let's see how they work. Now you can use a regular hand drill for this, but since I have a mag drill, that's what I'm going to use. They work great on containers. Just need a 2-inch hole saw bit that works on metal. And I'm drilling through the part on the outside that sticks out. That's because the vent, once it goes in, is going to be sticking inside the container a little bit. And when I put stuff up against the wall, it's not going to be able to hit that as easy. Let's start drilling. Oh, that's really loud. I'm going to get some ear protection. Oh, attack. They are bad this year. Oh no. I'm gonna kill this thing. Alright, perfect fit. Now these do have a direction. They've got an up and a down. The little holes, you can see they're underneath and then they're flat on top. That'll allow rainwater just to pass over. So when you put it in, you want to make sure all the holes are facing down. So to secure it, I'm just going to use a little bit of exterior silicone, put a bead around this lip all the way around and just push it in there, and we'll hold it well enough. There it is, a little too much silicone. We'll just wipe it off. There we go. One vent done. 5 more to go. My container's dented right where the magnet needs to be, so the magnet doesn't stay on there very well. So we're going to do this one the hard way. Okay, that's this side done. I chose this side for the bottom because this is the north side of the container, so this is shaded. And the other side's in the sun all the time, south side. So hopefully down here, air's cooler, draw the cooler air in up, and then exhaust out the other side where it's warmer. Well, it wouldn't be fun if everything went smoothly. Mag drill stopped working, no power at all. So there's a fuse in here somewhere. The manual doesn't really say where, so I'm going to first pop off this cover, see if there's a fuse under that. Well, I shorted it with a bolt and it's still not working, so I guess this is just dead. Money well spent. And this is actually the second electronic thing from Vivor I've got that don't work after very limited use. I went and grabbed this is an air compressor and jack. It's got some fuses in it that I thought might fit. They don't. But this worked once and doesn't work anymore. I got a handful of uses out of this and it doesn't work anymore. This one did come with some extra fuses. So hopefully, I haven't had a chance to fix that yet. Well, I don't have my multimeter here. I'll take this home, see if I can trace out where the failure is, but I guess I'm going to finish this job the hard way. Alright, the holes are done. That would have been a lot easier with a mag drill. The hand drill leaves them a little more gnarly, so gotta get them cleaned up and put the vents in, and this container's done. Little pro tip when hand drilling metal is to use the clutch. The bits tend to catch and then jerk really hard, try to break your wrist, but clutch set all the way up. When it does catch, it only moves a little bit, and then the clutch will save you. Got the first one in. What I found up on the ladder is it's hard to hold the drill steady, so you get a lot of vibration in the bit, and it leaves quite a bit of metal still in here. And it's too much to file, but I found, taking a jigsaw with a metal blade, you can kind of cut that out really quick, and then the vent will fit in there nicely. All done. We got 6 vents on the top on this side, 6 vents on the bottom on the other side. Here's what they look like on the inside. Now you can see why I put them on the ridge facing out, because now they're basically, that plastic sticks in, it's basically even with this. So as I put stuff up against the wall, they'll hit this before they knock those out.